Man, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, hey guys, Phil the Puppet Boy, and I am so glad that you're here. Oh, I like it a lot. You know, it's just not much fun to be here when you're not. And today, we are going to be doing some really awesome fun stuff, like, maybe roller skating. Man, that sounds like a lot of fun. Or baseball. Man, maybe basketball? Man, I must be really good at this. Soccer! Yeah, the crowd goes wild. Or volleyball. I must be pretty good. Oh, that really hurts. Maybe tennis. Come on. Ooh. Football. Let's go play some football. I just hope that football didn't break anything. This is my new office, by the way. Hey, I'm up to producer Phil the Puppet Boy for a new series. Because I'm making a movie, and you guys want to be the star of it. Well, there might be a movie. You just wait. A trailer might come up. So anyway, if you want to see more about it, I'll make videos about it still. But anyway, why don't we just do something really fun? Well folks, I think I am just about to set up my new office, but what do you think? Should I decorate it still or move into a new office? But looks like I could do some reorganization for a new... Oh wait, I think I can get this right. Organizing, because really, I'm exploring Evertoon now. I've been trying Toontastic and Plotagon. It's like, which animation world should I stay in? Oh well, folks, looks like I better head back over to the real world today. So, if you want to keep up with my new videos, subscribe to the channel, Phil the Puppet Boy, and I'll meet you later. Bye bye now.